Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find user ID in your OKX Exchange account, right? So here I have mentioned a step-by-step guide. First of all, you have to visit their website. Then you have to log in into their credential by using your email address and your password, which is this website. You can just visit here, and on the top right you will see option of login and sign up. If you haven't made an account, then just go and sign up, click on sign up, and you can make an account. If you have a credentials, then just go to login. Here you have to enter the username, I mean the email address and the password, right? And you can easily able to log in into it. If you have the application, then you can also use a QR code too. Then you have to access account setting. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, which will be on the top right corner of your home page. Click on the profile icon to open a drop-down menu. Navigate to the account setting. From the drop-down menu, select account setting. This will take you to the account management section. Find your user ID. In the account settings section, look for your account information. Your user ID should be clearly listed under your account details. So this is how you can always find. By the way, you can always ask their support system, OKX Help Center, which is always available in their website, and they will help you to find it more. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.